In a previous video, we looked at this diagram and indicated the bearing of B from A, which was this, and the bearing of A from B, which was this. Now we have a new point, C. Let's say C is this point here. I want you to pause the video, copy this diagram in your notebook, and indicate on the diagram the bearing of A from C, C from A, B from C, and C from B. So go ahead and pause. All right. You have indicated your bearings. Now let us go through it. The bearing of A from C. A from C means that you will have a straight line between A and C. And when you say from C, means you will have your north line at C. Let me draw it straight up. Let it look like a north line. Alright, and then I put my arrow on it to show it is my north line. Now, the fact that I said from C means C is where the angle is. A from C. So it's from north in a clockwise direction. So you go from C round to the line. Good. That's the bearing of A from C. What about C from A? The bearing of C from A. In this case, you already have an outline at A. So to show of C from A, you're going to draw from the north line to the line joining C and A. So you go from here and go round and round and round clockwise until you touch the line between C and A. Alright? So that one is done. What about the bearing of B from C? Again, from C means you will have your north line at C. When you say from C, since it's between B and C, you draw a straight line between B and C. Then the bearing of B from C means you're going to have a line, an arc showing the angle, and it will be between the north line and the line joining B and C. So B from C is going to be right in here, this tiny little angle in this region. That's the bearing of B from C. Alright? And then the bearing of C from B. This one is done. So the bearing of C from B now. It means you're going to have your north line at B, which we already have. And we have a line between C and B, which we already have. And then we draw our bearing angle from that north line in a clockwise direction to meet the line joining C and B. So that is our bearing. So all of them done now. Alright, So these are all the bearings that we wanted to find.